The best travel camera is the one you actually have with you. But with so many options, from pocket-size, point and on shoots to interchangeable lens powerhouses, finding the right balance of image quality, portability, and features can be overwhelming. I have tested the top travel cameras of 2026 to find out which ones deliver stunning photos and videos without weighing down your bag. Let's get into it. The Sony ZV-1F is the best pocket-sized travel camera for vloggers and content creators who want simplicity without sacrificing quality. This compact camera is designed specifically for video, with a wide-angle lens that is perfect for selfies and group shots. The large 1-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality in a tiny body, capturing sharp details and natural colors. The built-in directional microphone picks up your voice clearly, and the included windscreen reduces noise on blustery travel days. The product showcase mode automatically shifts focus from your face to an object you hold up, perfect for haul videos or food reviews. The flip-up screen lets you see yourself while recording, and the simple interface means you can start shooting immediately. For travelers who prioritize video and want a camera that fits in a pocket, this is a fantastic choice. Check the link in the description below. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D is the best all-in-one travel camera for photographers who want massive zoom range without changing lenses. This bridge camera packs an incredible zoom lens that goes from wide angle to super telephoto, letting you capture everything from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife. The 4K video recording is solid, and the image stabilization helps keep shots steady at long zoom ranges. The electronic viewfinder is useful in bright sunlight when the rear screen is hard to see. The camera is larger than a point and shoot, but still manageable for day trips and hikes. The battery life is decent, and the camera runs on standard SD cards. For travelers who want one camera that does everything without carrying extra lenses, this is a versatile workhorse. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Canon EOS R50 is the best entry-level, interchangeable lens travel camera for photographers ready to step up from their phone. This mirrorless camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to bring on any trip. The image quality is excellent, with a modern sensor that captures sharp, detailed photos in various lighting conditions. The autofocus is fast and reliable, with subject tracking that locks onto people, animals, and even vehicles. The 4K video is crisp, and the flip-out screen makes vlogging or high-angle shooting easy. The RF lens mount gives you access to Canon's growing lineup of lenses, letting you expand your kit as your skills grow. The camera connects to your phone via app for easy sharing on social media. For travelers who want to improve their photography without a huge learning curve, this is a perfect starting point. I have linked the Canon EOS R50 down in the description. The Sony ZV-1 II is the best premium compact travel camera for vloggers and creators who want advanced features in a small package. This updated version of the ZV-1 adds a wider zoom lens that is even better for selfies and group shots. The 1-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality with natural colors and good low light performance. The built-in variable microphone lets you adjust between front, rear, and omnidirectional pickup patterns, adapting to different shooting situations. The cinematic vlog mode gives your videos a more professional look with easy color grading. The real-time tracking autofocus keeps you sharp even when moving, and the product showcase mode works instantly. The battery life is improved over the original, and the USB-C charging is convenient for travel. For serious creators who want pro-level video features in a pocketable camera, this is the best option. Check the link in the description below. The Sony Alpha, a 6700, is the best advanced interchangeable lens travel camera for enthusiasts and professionals who refuse to compromise. This APS-C mirrorless camera packs flagship features into a surprisingly compact body. The image quality is stunning, with excellent dynamic range and low light performance that rivals full-frame cameras. The autofocus is among the best in the industry, with AI-powered subject recognition that locks onto humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, and trains. The 4K video is outstanding, with high frame rate options and professional color science. The in-body image stabilization keeps handheld shots steady, even with unstabilized lenses. The large battery lasts for hundreds of shots, and the dual card slots give you backup or extended capacity. For serious travel photographers who want the best image quality in a portable package, this is the ultimate choice. I have linked the Sony Alpha, a 6700, down in the description for you. That wraps up the best travel cameras for 2026. Whether you want the pocketable simplicity of the Sony ZV-1F, the all-in-one zoom of the Panasonic FZ80D, or the professional power of the Sony a6700, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect companion for your adventures, hit that subscribe button for more honest camera breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.